It's September 1st, 2023, and as you can see, the sky is gray. We have an emergency alert from Amazon, and they said we have flash flood warning in our area. It's been raining here and there, but not a heavy downpour, or it would rain for about 5 minutes and that's it, and then it would stop, and then it would rain again. So my plants are happy because they were touched by the rain. Here in the desert, we really need rainwater. And when it rains, I'm very happy because it makes my plants and my trees happy as well. I'm so easy to please. I have one bitter melon, little one, but at least there's one. And I took a selfie. And also I have eggplants. I took a selfie as well because I'm very happy. It's a late bloomer watermelon. I just threw the seed in there and it's growing. The greens in my backyard is just so pleasant to my eyes. I just rest my eyes on the green leaves and I feel better. But it makes me sleepy as well because the weather today is just, it's not cold, it's just gray because of the rain. I'm ecstatic because my banana is thriving. I thought it went dead during the summertime, the 3-digit temperature. But it's very happy now. Look at my taro. The leaves are getting bigger. Then all of a sudden, Virgie called me. I have to go to her house because she said she's got a lot of veggies for me. Yan, para ano.
Kadami sa luyot.
Dami.
Basta yung ibabaw ang ano,
Oo.
yung malalaki ang kunin mo para ano naman.
Saluyot.
Ayan, nag-square na siya eh. Na ano eh. Wala nga magiging tanim tong aking paligid dahil tatanggalin din yung orange.
Tatanggalin na?
Uy, kasi patay eh, oh.
Bakit nga?
Ewan,
Hindi mo na anuhan ng tubig.
hindi. Lagi naman ano yan, nakaano yung drip eh. Na ano.
Baka kulang.
Ilang araw na nag-ano siya eh. Posible, 5 minutes?
5 minutes lang?
Oo.
Ay, naku. Ako
Kulang.
20.
Ah,
20 minutes.
kaya siguro namatay
Kaya
din.
namatay.
Eh, sayang.
Gusto ko
O, dahan-dahan ka. Mag-chineris ka kaya?
Ay, hindi na. Tama na to.
Na ano?
Tama na to.
Hindi, dagdagan mo pa. Dadami pa yan eh. Kuhanin mo na. Na ano. Marami pa yan. Kukuha lang din ako na para sa winter.
Para sa ano lang sa...
Sa winter. Pero meron na rin ako yung medyo nasa... Damihan mo na dahil
Oo.
ano naman.
Mag-winter na, mamamatay na yan. This is Burgess Produce. Farm stand.
Sabi ko nga, bago siya umalis, mag-ano siya, lagyan niya na ng plastic. Sabi niya, hindi naman, magtatanim na lang uli. Kasi tignan mo, kahit malaki na yun, ano eh, namatay pa rin eh.
Oh, namatay pa rin yung ano?
Yung malaki,
Sayang.
mga bago yan eh.
Sayang.
Ito, pwede rin to. Medyo magulang na yan. Ito, medyo magulang na rin yan. Konti lang naman ang
Mahal ko
ilalagay.
na, kawawa naman.
Konti lang naman ang ilalagay niya sa ano eh. Sa, tawag dito,
Ay, kung ako, gusto ko marami.
na,
Kung gusto ko marami ang pagka...
yung saluyot ang konti lang yata. Masarap yung saluyot sa labong eh.
Paano bang ano yung sikit sa saluyot?
Lalagyan ng
Sana
labong.
nandito sa Ate Grace, marunong gumawa yan. Labong.
Ilocano.
Oo.
Inungkasan
Para
na.
may kainin naman si Paul.
Ayan.
Para may
Malaki
kainin
na,
naman si
no?
Paul. Ilagay niya sa ano.
Malaki. No. Ayan.
Saluyot, kamote, malunggay, sa Virgie's orchard.